I'm Rupali, a blockchain developer and your instructor at Newton School. So in this video, let's discuss about Newton School first. It is an edtech company that helps you to become a full stack developer. And if you want to get a placement and if you want to be in the tech field, then Newton School is the best platform as it guarantees you a placement from 5 lakhs to 40 lakhs, and it also provides you courses for free in the beginning. So it's like that if you are in this particular platform, you first take the courses, you enjoy your courses, you learn something out of it, and then only you have to pay for your courses. So that's the best part about Newton School. And if you want to start your career today in full stack development, then don't forget to check out the first link in the description. That will surely help you guys to become a full stack developer. Now let's get started with the today's agenda of this video and today's topic. So this will be the last video on this particular channel. Now from today onwards, I will be creating videos on some other channel which is web dev community. It is also a part of Newton School, but over here now my videos will be coming, and my new videos on this channel will be different from my old channel videos. We will be having some project based videos on this particular channel, not like the tutorial based or step by step tutorial based which we have seen in the previous channel, which was coding monks. So don't forget to subscribe to my new channel, which is web dev community. Now from today onwards, I will be having videos pushed on this channel, and we will be continuing the blockchain series on this channel, and new blockchain videos would be coming on this particular channel. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to subscribe my new channel, which is web dev community. I hope you guys will be joining us over there, and because the stuff will be same, the new stuff will be over there. You will be getting more detailed description of blockchain on that particular channel, and also you can take help of this channel, this coding monks channel. We have created so many playlists, we have so many videos on blockchain on this channel, which will be helpful for you guys to take the first step on blockchain, and then you guys could join us on web dev community. Over there also we are planning to create some blockchain based applications, and we are planning to come up with more detailed video of blockchain on that particular channel. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will be now coming to web dev community channel.